Hi friends, today we're going to do Module 5, Lesson 5. Our objective, count straws the say 10 way to 20. Make a pile for each 10. So this is where we're going to be counting up and higher numbers and being able to do it quickly still because we have this method of saying 10 and 4. 10, 4 makes 14. Good. All right, we're gonna warm up by doing dot cards to 7 and showing me them in 2 parts. So remember that invisible line. How many do you see over here? Good, show me your fingers. 4 and 3. 4 and 3 makes 7. Great job. Oh, sorry. Let me change the card so we can do another one. All right. Ooh, this one's a tricky one. How are you going to split them up? Good, you could go right down here like this and say 3 and 4 makes 7. Yep, you could add in maybe another one and say 5 and 2 makes 7. Again, these are all parts to 7. It's just making sure that you equal 7. All right, let's do this one quickly. 3, 3 and 4 makes 7. Good. 5 and 2 makes 7. So knowing that 5 and 2 make 7 and seeing those pictures like that, you can just easily count it instead of going one by one counting. Last one. Good, I'm gonna split it up like this. 6 and 1 makes 7. Great job, friends. All right, I brought this screen up and I'm gonna show you how Miss Plitt does it again, but I want to invite you, so this is 10 right here, but I want to invite you to play this game at home by on your whiteboard or marker or with a paper and pencil, draw a bunch of circles, draw a bunch of triangles on your paper and see if you can go back and circle a group of 10. Now you can do it really neat like this one and it'll help you to figure out, and drawing that and circling 10 is going to help your eyes find that bundle of 10. All right, and like Miss Plitt was doing the other day, quickly seeing that this is 5 and this is 5 and all together I have 10. All right, and circling that group. Good. All right, Ruth covered 16 holes while playing the flute. She covered 10 holes with her finger on the first note that she played. So we're going to do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And she covered 6 on the next note that she played. So I've got 5 on top, the rest on the bottom, and that's 6 right there. So if I were to write my numbers, I have 10, 6. 10, 6 makes 16. Good job. All right, practice that vocabulary today. All right, friends, I'm going to flash you some fingers and say it the say 10 way, and then you're going to flash it back to me. So let's go ahead and make me a little bit bigger for you. So I'm going to say 10, 2. And then I want you to repeat it back to me. Say 10, 2, 12. Good. And be able to give me that answer, that teen number. 10, 5. Good. So you say 10, 5. And what number is that? 15. Good. 10, 5, 15. 10, 3. Could you say it? 10, 3, 13. Good. Last one. 10, 6. Good. 10, 6, 16. Well done, friends. All right. We are going to look at our problem set and match our picture to the box that says the correct number. So we can see that our boxes say 10. So we've got 10 ones and then 1 extra one. I don't see that for this one. On the umbrella picture, I see 10 and 3 ones. So I'm looking for 10 and 3. Good, I see it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and label these so that you can help me from home. So we've got this one is letter, oh, sorry, friends. Let's make this one letter A, and this one letter B. All right, so let's take a look at the kittens. Do the kittens match with letter A or letter B? And then go ahead and tell me the numbers that you see. Good. 10, 4 matches with letter B, 10, 4. And last one, let's go ahead and do two more, friends. I'm so sorry. This is letter C. All right, let's go ahead and do the pineapples. Wow, yeah, I see 10 ones and 10 ones. Letter C. And last one, the bananas. Letter A. Good. 10 ones and 7. 10, 7, 17. And right here you can practice writing those numbers on the side. 10, 1 would be 11. 10, 7 would be 17. 10, 3 is 13. 10, 4 is 14. 10, 10. Oh, yeah, that one's tricky. We're going to learn that later. Is 20. All right. On your board, you're going to practice the say 10 way and go ahead and write in the missing numbers. So 10 and 1, 11. Let's change it to a different color. 10 and 2, 12. Uh-oh, what comes after 10 and 2? 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 4, 14. 10 and 5, 15. See if you can do this at home on your board. 10 and 6, 16. 10. Oh, they didn't even give us 10. 10 and what comes after 6? 7, 17. 10 and what comes after it? 8, 18. 10 and 9, 19. 10 and 10, 20. Good job, friends. All right, last problem. Go ahead and tell me how many I have all together. Use what you know about your team numbers. 10 and 5. Ding, ding, ding. 15. A 1 and a 5. Great job, friends. Thanks for joining me.